If you find yourself in need of rescheduling your Garuda flight, the most convenient method is to visit the official Garuda website and log into your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you can proceed to the Manage Booking section on the website where you will have the option to reschedule your flight. From there, you can choose a new date and time for your journey, although please be aware that there may be a change fee depending on the fare rules associated with your ticket. Alternatively, if you prefer to speak with someone directly, you can contact Garuda's customer service team through phone or email to request a flight reschedule. Just remember to have your booking reference or ticket number ready when reaching out to customer service for assistance.
Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.